Arriving just in time for the cooler months, the Lamber Motion Collection from H317 will add a warm and cozy element to your space. Low-slope arms with a channel back and pillow top will cradle you in comfort as the faux shearling upholstery provides the comfiest seat in the house. The comfort doesn't stop there. Each piece comes equipped with a power-adjustable headrest and power recline. Get ready to get your nap on, because staying awake in these comfy recliners is going to be near impossible. You can find your style, selection, and value at American Furniture Warehouse.